The BMW X3 is a compact executive entry-level luxury crossover marketed by German automaker BMW since 2003. Power and efficiency go hand in hand in the 2014 BMW X3 xDrive35i. For the year 2014, the BMW X3 received minor updates to feature availability, but otherwise it's unchanged. Among compact to mid-size luxury crossover SUV, the 2014 BMW X3 stands apart from most rivals. With its superb driving dynamics, spacious and upscale interior accommodation, and solid fuel economy rating, the X3 is a front-runner in this class and definitely one you want to check out, particularly if you have a family. The X3 provides much more feedback and entertainment through turns than the average luxury SUV. Up front you see the xenon adaptive headlight with auto leveling and LED Corona headlight rings, halogen freeform fog lights, aerodynamic front bumper, comes with the M Sport package, the iconic BMW double kidney grille and the BMW badge, headlight washer also built into the front bumper, Shadowline exterior trim. This particular X3 comes with the upgraded option, the M Sport package, which includes 19-inch M alloy double-spoke wheels, fender turn signal light located on the fender, xDrive35i located on the door, letting people know the difference, side rear mirror, a lot of lines and curves alongside of the BMW X3 as well. To the back, you can see the LED tail lamp, LED brake lamp, and the turn signal lamp. The rear diffuser with dual round chrome tip exhaust. Alright, the X3 also comes equipped with smart access key system. Press the button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, put your hand on the handle to unlock. The interior features black Nevada leather seats with white stitching, as well as black on the dash and the door panel with fine line sienna wood trim. Alright, let's start the vehicle and see how it sounds. With your foot on the brake, push the button to start. Under the hood is a 3-liter BMW twin-turbo inline 6-cylinder engine, 24-valve, pushing out 300 horsepower, combines a twin-scroll turbocharger with variable valve control and high-precision direct injection. Electronic throttle control, 8-speed Steptronic automatic transmission with sport and manual shift mode, and adaptive transmission control, can hit from 0 to 60 in 5.5 seconds. Top speed of 150 miles per hour is limited in the US. Gas mileage are 19 city, 26 highway, and 21 combined. All 4 windows are fully automatic. M Sport aluminum door sill. There's the pedals. Trunk release button. This particular model features black Nevada leather sport seats with white stitching accents. Both driver and passenger seats feature 8-way power adjustable front seats with 2-way manual headrest and driver seats and mirror memory. The 3-spoke M Sport steering wheel with paddle shifter is fully wrapped in leather, featuring tilt and telescopic steering column with multi-function control side by side for your convenience. There's the paddle shifter for a more aggressive ride. Here's your light control, rear fog light, driver air vent, the large multimedia screen, double air vent, dual climate control, multimedia control, dual cup holder with a cigarette lighter, here's the gearbox. Press the unlock button on the side, pull down for drive, up for neutral, up again for reverse. Press the P for park. Right, traction control off, Sport, Sport Plus, Eco, Eco Pro, and there's your parking brake. Okay, here's the control to the iDrive unit. You can move the knob around to move around screen, up, down, right or left, and press down to select. And here's all the menu button. Right, turn the knob around to move around screen, press down to select. Very easy to use. Center storage compartment with USB and auxiliary input. Also comes with the 12-volt power outlet. The wood trim feels great. There's also wood trim on the dash and the door panel. Glove box compartment. Here's another look at the seat. Very nice contrast stitching. BMW emergency roadside assistance. One touch open and close moonroof. Panoramic moonroof with fully automatic 2-piece glass panels. Power slide and lift control. Wind deflector and power interior sunshade. Very nice. It gives both the front and the rear passenger an open feel while riding in the car. Light control. Universal garage door opener. Sun visor mirror with a card holder. Alright, let's get into the back and see how it is. Right, here's my personal view to the cabin. Very nice. The BMW X3 offers more than enough room for the front passenger, while the rear room is downright generous and paired with a truly comfortable seat. Indeed, this is one of the most family-friendly vehicles in the class. 12-volt power outlet, rear seat pocket, a lot of leg rooms in the back. Rear windows are also automatic. Rear armrest with dual cup holder. light for the rear passenger, one on each side. Right, let's look at the trunk. The trunk offers 27.6 cubic feet of cargo space. Total cargo capacity with the rear seat folded down is 63.3 cubic feet, which make it one of the larger compact luxury crossover. Pull up for all your tools. Door lock, one touch, close. The X3 offers plenty of room for its rear passenger. Overall, the X3 interior will be familiar to anyone who has spent time in a BMW product. Classic analog gauges, sensible ergonomic, and a restrained overall aesthetic combine to create a pleasant driving environment. Occupants will feel really comfortable within the high-quality material covering the seats, console, and the dash. Alright guys, that is it for today's review, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next video review.